Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a super cool, fun and exciting new video slash series that's coming to my channel, and it's called Fitting Room Fridays. And it's basically me just going to stores that I really like shops, high street shops mainly, and picking out outfits, especially because I really wanted to do this because since being pregnant, I've found it so difficult finding maternity clothing because they don't actually sell maternity in store, especially not in Birmingham. I'm so out of breath already. Sorry guys, literally the pregnancy. Like, you're just constantly out of breath even though I just walked from one end of the room to the other. But basically, so yeah, I want to try stuff on that's not for maternity but you can wear, and just some ideas, and also stuff that I really want to pick out stuff that's like really quirky and really fun. Well, anyway, today that's my goal. Today I want to pick out really cool, funky, summery outfits, and I don't know what I'm gonna find because I haven't been shopping in a while. So let's see what's in store. And also I'm really excited because I am loving like skirts and dresses. That's kind of the stuff I want to go for. And in the next video, hopefully I'm gonna do something that's a little bit more like neutral, or depending what kind of stuff you guys want me to like show you how I styled. And I'm trying to do like one outfit, well, try to find at least an outfit or two per store and then just see how it goes. Also, I hope it works because I don't know, like some changing rooms are so terrible, like it's impossible to film with all the people there, and also lighting, such a pain. But I just thought this will be a fun vlog, and it's a little bit different because I get to show you what's in store currently. So like with lookbooks, sometimes by the time I get the pieces, by the time I style them, by the time I get a photographer and then I post it up, people are like, where's it from? And then it's not in stock anymore. Whereas with this, everything will be in stock and you're able to buy, because I'll be uploading them every Friday and trying to film them on the Friday as well. So it's like all the new stuff that's in stock and you guys can keep up with that. Really exciting. I really hope you like this new like idea. I haven't seen anyone else doing this. So I may have created a new tag. I hope I have. I hope this is not like hasn't ever been done before, because that'd be super cool. I have not made up a tag before, so this will be like my first tag, which is super cool. These kind of tops are great for maternity because they're wide and baggy, and then you can just wear a t-shirt underneath, like a long sleeve tee. And this is £25, so it's really affordable. Great for the summer. I really like that. And then this is like a very similar style. First, I am going to be trying on this kimono with this like sort of jumpsuit thing. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is the outfit and this is what it looks like on. I really like the scarf. I think the scarf's really cool. Let me show you guys up close. I wish the lighting was a bit better. But as you can see, the top covers you at the back, which is great. And then I just styled the scarf like this. It's super nice and big. And I did wear this black top that I already had, but really I would try and find a pink top to match the jumpsuit and wear that underneath. It'll be so much more flattering. But it just looks like this. I love it. And then let me see, you can so see how pregnant I am. But and then I just styled it with my Primark slippers because Zara do the same ones as well. It is a bit see-through, so I do have leggings underneath. But I love this outfit. I think it's so cool. I look so mumsy in it though. It's hilarious. So this is the outfit. I really love this kimono. And it's got like full sleeves. I did get this in a size small. And the jumpsuit I got in a medium. I think it fits me really well like this. I love the scarf. I think the scarf is my favorite piece from here. Here's the second outfit that I put together. I really love this outfit. It's such a holiday vibes. Like, this is something I would wear to Italy. and I actually wore very similar stuff. This dress is perfect if you're pregnant because it's got these frills and it's just like at the right place and it's nice and loose, so then you can actually grow into it as well. This blazer I got in a medium. I really love this blazer. This blazer is 70 quid and the dress is 25, 30 pounds. And then I actually paired both these scarves, which are from Zara. They're like little neck scarves, and I just feel like just add something to the outfit. And then these slippers, which I absolutely love, and I had to add a little bit of green because I have some green in my scarf. So this is the outfit from this angle and I love it. I love it so much. I think this whole outfit is about 150 pounds, but the pieces are so versatile and you can wear them so many different ways. I love this scarf, this blazer, and this shirt dress is absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually thinking of taking this shirt dress and actually buying it because I feel like I can get so much wear out of it. So yeah, that's everything. Also pick out this jacket, but I don't really like it. It's so big and I got this in a small. So really I should try an extra small, but it just makes me look so fat. Like, even if I tie it up, it's not... Actually, that looks nice, but it's not the most flattering trench that I have tried on. I just love the color of it. It's such a like bubblegum pink, and I feel like I could just style this up in so many different ways. Primark needs to do this jacket. What it looks like, I got the hat is from Topshop. I really like it. Should have wore black under cap though. This shirt, which was in Last Chance, but so cool. And then this skirt, I really didn't like the skirt when I put it on by itself, but I feel like with this whole outfit it works. Here it is. I look super pregnant. This jacket is so nice. I did roll up the sleeves because I feel like it looks a lot better like this. I don't know if I would go up a size in this jacket. Actually, once you close it up, it's nice. There we go. I really, really like this jacket. Let me give you a close-up of the whole look. This is what it looks like on. This is the first way I style this dress, but I want to try it with my scarf and see if it looks better, because I feel like this is such a classical outfit. This is styled with the turban. So the turban is, the scarf is mine. So this is the same top. I love the clashing prints. I love abstract prints. So there's like a large stripes, and then there's little polka dots, and then super big polka dots. And the dress, I love this dress. It's so cool. It's like a slip like that, so you kind of just, it's like a wrap dress. That's what it is. But I am so in love with this outfit. I think this is my favorite outfit after that green. I don't know actually. Maybe, oh, I should try the green jacket on top of this. It's probably gonna look so nice. But yeah, that's what, super modest. This is great if you're pregnant, especially because you can like move it around, and if you get any bigger you can just loosen it and like, you know, it just fits you. I love it, and I love the length as well. The length is really nice and it's very flattering. I hate dresses that like just drag on the floor. Okay, and now I've just paired it with the trench. I like it with the trench, and also I keep choosing jackets because it's still really cold in England, by the way. And then I got this bum bag. This is the first time I wore a bum bag. To be honest, if you're pregnant, it's actually uncomfortable. Like, it's a bit too tight, and I feel like it pushes down on your belly a bit, on the baby, which you don't want to do. But let me show you something. Close up. What is this? What is this? So yeah, So what did you think of that? I did want to film more in store, but there were people and I hadn't vlogged or filmed like in public in so long that I felt really uncomfortable, so I didn't end up doing. And I feel like because it was my first one, I was kind of nervous and stuff, so I'm so sorry that I didn't film more in store and like I didn't film me choosing the outfits. But also I don't know what filming's like, because when I filmed in the past, like I know like you're not really allowed in a lot of places. They don't let you, just because they don't know what you're filming it for. Even though like I've got a little camera, it's just my Sony a5000, but you know, they might not let you film, so I didn't want to risk getting into trouble before I even tried everything on. But hopefully in the next video it'll be more of a follow me around and I'll show you pieces in store, kind of like how I did the Zara bit and I was like, this is cool, blah blah blah. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this series, and if you want me to continue it and do it. I can't do it every Friday, but I will try and do it at least once a month. That will be my thing. At least once a month I'm gonna try and do this. Maybe I can do it more often. If you guys really like it, I can do it more often. I can even do it weekly if it becomes really popular. But yeah, so I shall see you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you did enjoy this video. It means a lot, especially if you like, because it comes up in the like recommended and stuff. And also please hit the bell button, because if you don't, you won't get a notification that I've uploaded, which is such a pain, and I hate that YouTube's doing this. So please do click that, because then you will get a notification that I have uploaded a new video. And I am back to uploading once a week now, maybe twice so far since I've come back. This week I have been, this is my third video this week, so I'm on the ball and I'm really enjoying filming and stuff, and I really want to get back into it and everything. So please do like and share and subscribe, because it means so much to me. And obviously I can't have done it without you guys and have gotten this far on like 38 million views, which is incredible, so incredible. So thank you, I love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.